Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Abhijit and today in this video I will tell you how to rearrange picklist multi-select value in Salesforce. So in Salesforce we have picklist multi-select field, and within this picklist multi-select fields we assign values and arrange them. But many of the times we require a prioritized value at the specific position. So in this video we will see the process of rearranging these values. We will see the method of rearranging values of picklist multi-select field in the both versions of Salesforce, that is Salesforce Lightning and Salesforce Classic as well. So let's move ahead and log into our Salesforce account and see the process. Right now we are on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, and here on the setup page you can see this object manager on the upper left side of the screen. Click on this object manager, and as we click on the object manager we will see a list of objects under the heading label, and from here you have to select an object with an existing picklist multi-select field. So I have an existing picklist multi-select field in the business brand object. Here it is. So I will click on it, and in this window we will select the option fields and relationships. So click on the fields and relationships, and from here we have to select the picklist multi-select field in which we are going to rearrange the values. So this is the picklist multi-select field, and now we will scroll down to this section values, and here you can see the button reorder. Click on this reorder button, and under the heading sort picklist values you can see the values, and with the help of the button which are on the right side of the values we can rearrange these values. I will show you how to do it. Just select a value and rearrange it according to your preference. So we have kept New Jersey on the top and Texas on the second position, and after making the changes we will click on the save button, and here as you can see the New Jersey is on top and Texas is on second position. So this is how we rearrange picklist multi-select value in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will move ahead and see how this process is being done in Salesforce Classic as well. And to go to the Salesforce Classic version I will directly click this profile picture, and now click on this switch to Salesforce Classic. Right now we are on the home page of the Salesforce Classic. So now from here we will go to the setup page, and on the setup page we will select the object in which we have existing picklist multi-select field, and for that go to this build section and click on this customize drop down, and here you will see the list of objects. So I have created a picklist select field in this opportunities object. So click on the drop down of that particular object, and here we can see the list of custom fields. From here we will select the picklist multi-select field which is this lead opportunities. So we will click on it, and here you can see in the values section there is a reorder button. We will click on the button, and here you can see the four values. Just select the values, and with the help of these buttons up and down arrow we can arrange this value. So I have kept admin on the top and click on the save button. So now here as you can see the admin is on first place exactly as what we have reordered it. So in this way we arrange picklist multi-select field values in Salesforce Classic. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icons to get the regular update of our upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.